Hey guys, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. In this video, we want to go over the Triaxe Cruze. This is a really popular folding mobility scooter. And one thing that makes it different is that it can hold up to 350 pounds of weight. Most folding mobility scooters on the market cannot hold that much weight. Also, we have a free catalog that we can send to you. So of our top sellers, just go online, click on free catalog, fill out your information. It takes about 10 days to get to you. Once you've filled that out, you can also call us as well to provide that. So let's get into this scooter. So, pretty simplistic. It's not like a sexy digital dash. This is your key. You actually get two sets of keys. This is your battery gauge. It's kind of hard to see right now, but it is lit up. It's fully charged and it has a speed control right here. So if you want to get to your top speed on this scooter, it's actually 6 miles per hour. You would turn it all the way to this rabbit, and you have a horn here. The throttle on the scooter is also an ambidextrous throttle. So if you had no mobility in one of your hands, you can accelerate forward or backwards with just one hand. So even if you're left-handed, you can still operate it if you want to just use one of your hands. Also, the scooter is airline approved. It can go up to 18 miles on a single charge. And this particular seat on here, this is the only seat available. It's an 18-inch wide seat. It has a lot of padding. It's pretty thick, and there's a seat back. One thing to keep in mind is that it does not have armrests. So if that's important to you, it does not come with that.
Quick announcement, we're giving away a free scooter. Here's how to enter. First, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Next, comment below with your thoughts on this video and you'll be entered automatically. Stay tuned and good luck. Now let's continue with the video.
Now as far as folding, I'll show you that really easy. First thing I want to do is turn off the scooter, remove the key, fold the seat back down, and there's a little lever back here. You can see this little lever. You press that and fold it all the way down. And then the next thing you do is this is a height adjustable tiller. So if you want to extend it really high, like I would for me, I would clamp it into place. But when I'm folding, I'm going to fold it all the way down. And you might be wondering what this is. There's actually a front basket on this. We don't have it in this video, but it does come standard with that front basket. Now at this point, I would pull up this knob and this will detach, and I lay this flat on here. So at this point, you want to get these anti-tip wheels here. And if you pull them out, they actually extend like so. And if you need to wheel this behind you, you can wheel it on those wheels. It's really nice to have. Also, if you want to, I'm going to put these anti-tip wheels back up and I'm going to set it up on its side, just like that. So because it's airline approved, they're going to make you remove the battery and bring it on with you. So in order to do that, you have to fold it first. Some scooters you don't have to do, you want to take it out before you fold it. This one, you want to make sure you fold it first. The battery is located right here. And there's a little pin right here. So if I pull this pin, this will kind of open like a little drawer, and then you unplug the power supply, and this is what you would take on with you on the airline. Then you just close it back up, and you check it with the airline at this point. So I'm going to put this back in here. And really, that's pretty much it. Oh, one other thing, let me show you this. There's two height levels. So this is important to note. Some people don't know this. So if I pull this lever to lift the seat that I showed you previously to fold it down, if I press that and I pull the seat up, this is the first height. But it actually goes higher than that. So if you're tall, like me, you want to put up to the second height. And then you can see when I sit on here, this is what I'm going to look like on here. So if you're tall, this might look like it's snug. For me personally, I think this is fine. I have the tiller at the highest point. There's plenty of room. My knees aren't in the way. You can actually move your feet out a little bit like that. But I think it's nice. I like that it has the electromagnetic brakes. So once you let off the throttle, the brakes are going to automatically engage. So because it has this ambidextrous throttle, it has the electromagnetic brakes, so when you let off the throttle, they automatically engage, which is a great safety feature. So you can see where my feet sit. Being at my height, 6'4", I think it's fine. It fits me comfortably. So I would say if you're my height or shorter, I think you can ride this just fine. It also has a front suspension. It definitely has some give, and it just helps with absorbing bumps. And on top of that, because it's a three-wheel scooter, super tight turning radius. You can see how the wheels turn. And because of it being 3-wheel, you have anti-tip wheels that are on the front. So you're not gonna tip over, it's just gonna hit that wheel. And if you have any questions about the Triaxe Cruze, give us a call. We're open every single day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just simply visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.